Hi! In front of me is our Magic for Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this Honor. You need to begin by opening one of your apps like Play Store and clicking on the square button. Now you need to click on the top right corner of your app and select the other one, like Chrome. Then hold the first one and drag it to the top. When you see this gray area, you can let go. And as you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging the first app upwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!